We thought the danger was in what we ate. The real risk is in the cooking method, not just the ingredients. Air fryers, the trendy kitchen gadget that crisps your fries without oil. But what if your air fryer is serving up more than just food? What if it's serving up surveillance? Yes, your air fryer might be spying on you. This isn't science fiction or some wild conspiracy theory. This is a real warning from the UK's Information Commissioner's Office, the country's top data privacy regulator. Their message: even your kitchen appliances must now respect your privacy. Let that sink in. We've reached a point where air fryers need regulation. So what exactly is going on? A UK consumer group tested several popular air fryer brands. What they discovered was disturbing. These devices weren't just for cooking, they were stuffed with trackers. Because today's air fryers aren't just machines, they're smart, connected, listening. Most are linked to your phone through an app. You can control them remotely, schedule cooking times, even use voice commands. But here's the part they don't advertise. They don't just listen, they record voice data, location, app interactions, family conversations, and more. And in many cases, this data collection wasn't even necessary for the fryer to function. Where does that data go? Not to your phone, not to local storage. It's sent off to remote servers, many located in another country. In this case, China. That's right. Some air fryers made by Chinese companies were sending private user data straight to servers in China. It's like inviting a foreign surveillance device into your home and letting it listen in on your life. And this isn't just about air fryers. Think bigger. Smart TVs, smart doorbells, robot vacuums, watches, speakers, even light bulbs. This is a $43 billion global market, and these devices know more about you than most humans do. Your schedule, your music, your medication, your children's voices, even when you're home and when you're not. In the US, hackers gained control of robot vacuums with cameras and mics. They accessed live footage from inside homes and even shouted obscenities at residents. Smart doorbells have been exposed for leaking private data. Amazon employees have been accused of listening to private Alexa recordings. We are surrounded by devices, and those devices are feeding data into systems we don't control. So what can be done? Yes, the UK regulator has called for changes, like better transparency and automatic deletion of stored data. That's a start, but it's not enough. Consumers must stay vigilant. Avoid devices without physical mute or power switches. Always check what permissions the app is asking for. Read the privacy policy, even if it's painful, and be selective about which smart tech enters your home. But the bigger issue isn't just about what you allow. It's about what regulators fail to control. You shouldn't have to trade your privacy for convenience. Governments must demand data transparency. They must ensure that user data stays local, protected, and off-limits to foreign servers. Because with every move you make, every word you speak, every meal you fry, someone may be watching. This is InfoFusion. Subscribe for more stories they don't want you to think about.